Hi everyone, I'm Nonji Motlhetlhi. I am a Senior Manager for Strategic Projects at Nedbank, and one of my flagship programs is the Township Economy and doing the most as Nedbank in the Township Economy. The Township Economy is quintessential South Africa. It is its own economy, it has its own way of work, it works like a mean and lean machine, and we are the only people who understand how it is. The reason why it's important for us to support is because we are from here, we know the stories, we know what people are looking for, and it's very important for us to support each other and craft very specific solutions, very specific products and services that cater to the people of the Township Economy. It has immense growth. I mean, it's very difficult to even quantify the amount of bravado and the amount of money that is flowing and transacting within the Township Economy, but we don't need to because we know that it's there. It's just important for us to nurture, to encourage, to support, to understand, and really just be in the spaces that we as people understand, and in the spaces that we flourish and we can be ourselves, so that we grow to be bigger and we be and better, and we can compete on any world stage with any other economy in the world, because we have the potential and we can definitely do it. My tea experience has been super lush. It's been super amazing, and I've really loved engaging with the brand, engaging with the people, and really being part of a movement that is quite unique and that is quite powerful in the way that it's been built, in being deliberate and really understanding what is to be unlocked and how to add value. So it's been incredible people, incredible vision, incredible delivery and implementation. So it's been a super thumbs up from my side.